Muzzle master's got to cut them things. Where'd they go? Them.
They're right yonder.
Hello, little guys. We're gonna send you home. Your friends and family and co-workers.
And co-workers.
And co-workers. Guys, we're gonna do some dragging. I like to drag. Kind of missed the morning bite, I think. Did we miss the morning bite? How late in the morning do fish still bite?
2.
Could they have like a late morning bite and then like a brunch or something?
I'd say brunch around
Brunch.
12.
Okay, well I'm gonna find somewhere to mount this stupid camera. Somebody's kicking it down over there in the sticks, ain't they?
Oh, yeah,
That's what I'd do, run the gauntlet. Anywho, we're gonna drag. Try to catch us some fishkies. We got one in the tank from the trot line earlier. We're making a second video.
His name's Ronald.
Who's Ronald? Ronald's in, are we naming fish?
Yeah, his name's Ronald.
Okay, the one in the tank's named Ronald.
There's also Donald. He's invisible.
We turned Donald loose. Oh, he's got invisible friends. All right, guys, we're gonna fish. Shoe fly, don't bite. I think he dies if he walks on land. Talking about Davy Jones?
Yeah. Because he's cursed to stay like on water and on the flying
I think
Dutchman.
like once every 10 years or something.
Yeah, once every 10 years he can come on land.
Cut little Mr. Fins off.
Yeah, but so he just straight up dies if he walks on land?
Probably.
Guys, we're still fishing for channel cats, so we're gonna cut these baits kind of small. The trout line was kind of barren. It had 4 fish on it, which ain't bad. I mean, for coming out here and setting it, not a big deal. We got a decent one in the tank. The 3 smaller ones, one was not legal. The other 2 was over 12 inches. The smaller one was probably over 12 inches, but I didn't want to take that chance. So we're going to try to add a couple, 3 more to the tank. Probably hang out till noonish or so, maybe, I don't know. Ow, don't want to cut that for cut bait. I need that finger.
I mean, do you really, though?
Yeah, absolutely. Guys, these cuda shears are awesome. You get them at Walmart. Need 6 baits. So, red horse sucker. That's our poison right now, red horse sucker. See what we can get out of it. Usually does pretty good.
It's the poisoned apple.
Gotta pick your poison. Get out of here, fishtail. I got a rope on here so we don't drop them like that. We just don't want to drop them in the water. Okay, where are we going to drag? We're going to run boards?
I mean, if you want to.
Yeah, it's calm enough. I think we're going to run some boards. All right, guys, we're going to bait up. Get some boards out. See if we can catch some fish. That's what we're here for, right? Gotcha. I scared him. Scared him. I don't know why you guys got to goof around on the boat.
I don't know. It's just...
Everybody's goofing.
It's an innate feeling.
All right, guys, we'll be back. Here. Grab it. Grab it and start reeling. Okay. Here, just...
It's recording. I got
okay. Hang on. I got to walk all the way to this side, Bubby. Okay. Here, we're going to stand this one up. Hold your rod tip up, baby. There you go. Here. Hold right here. Hold right there. There you go. Keep your rod tip up. Don't yank on him. Just keep your rod tip up high. There you go. Here, do this. Put it right there in your gut. There you go. There you go, buddy. Dad, don't fall over. Planer board did its job. That's a nice channel kid. Don't really mow it. Bring him over its side. Don't just hang on. He's barely hooked. Oh, let's get him. We got him. It's our fish. Look at that. It popped out. As soon as I nabbed him, it popped out. Hey.
This is for catfish, isn't it?
Yeah. No, it's the second one. Hey. All right, bud. Heck yeah. Get him the fish grips. All right, Shay. Put this back on here. Guys, bear with us. You got him? Or is he twisting on you?
He's twisting.
Well, just hang him, set him down some. Just hang him with your hangers. Here, that'll help you. There you go. Put your hands under his belly. There you go.
Ah.
He ain't gonna hurt you. Don't be afraid of him. Here, hold him.
Okay, because there's some weird spiky things that
Yeah,
I felt.
then you get you. And just kind of hold him right there. Don't let him twist. Hang on to him. There you go. There it is, guys. That's Slade Morgan's first fish in a long time. It's his first fish dragging. I don't know. He probably weighs 3 pounds, 4 pounds, something like that. Good little channel cat. We're gonna take him home. Somebody just busted a turkey. Turkey season's in.
I think
Hey.
Planner for us.
Are we taking him home?
Yeah.
Okay. There it is, guys. Number 1. Hold your rod tip up, dude, just like I showed you. Balance him, Shay.
I got
Just get him stood up. Get him stood up.
Come on, stand up.
Calm down, Slade. Thanks. Calm down, just real nice and smooth.
There you go.
Take your time.
That one slammed it hard.
He slammed it good, and I didn't have the camera on.
There he is. Hey.
That's good fish. Take your time. Watch the prop. Here, Shay, that's your brother's fish. Slow down, Slade. Slow down. You're going to get him in the prop. There you go, boys.
Got him.
Got him. Put the rod back in the rod holder. Slade. Double. Jay, you want this one? Or you're going to have to come up here. Alright guys, we got us a double. Slade Morgan's fighting another one. Shay's got one in net. That makes 3 for us. Cut sucker. Yes, sir. Get her done, boys. You getting him, bud? Here. There you go. Got him. That's all right. You just stand still and let Daddy get the boat, okay? There we go, guys. Got us another channel. Look at that. Heck yeah. Help your brother, please. Don't worry about that. Let's go ahead and get him in the boat. Take your time, get him in, Bubby. Be very careful. Don't lift him up out of the water. Let Shay get, that's what the dip net's for. There you go. Good job. Good job. There you go. Now give your brother some slack. Old Panky got it done. Josh Dismang. Panky got it done. Dragon Shad rattling floats.
Go live on Facebook.
Oh man. I love it when it gets like this, boys. Put the rod back in the rod holder. Work with him, Jay. He's not used to it, okay? Walk him through what he needs to do.
Give me a little bit more slack.
There you go. Work together.
There. Now set the rod back in the rod holder. Take it. There, right there.
Give me the net. There you go. It's kind of chaos, guys, so kind of just step around each other. Be careful. Work together, okay? You understand?
Huh?
Y'all work together. Step around each other. Y'all see that right there? See this? This is what people need to be teaching the kids, how to feed themselves. Good fish. Good legal fish. That's what it's all about right there. Pitch them in the tank. How many's in the tank now? 4. Yep. Okay. Be careful. Take care of the boat. Good job, bud.
Yeah. You want to go towards that, okay?
Water bug planer boards, guys. Gets it done. I really like these things. They come in single side, which would be one piece of foam, or two, and two is better for dragging baits and catfish and little bigger baits. I usually don't like to run no more than 3 ounces, but I do have 1.5 on there. These run better with, you know, right around 3 ounces and not a monstrous bait, which is perfect for what I do. But once again, shout out to Waterbugs Planer Boards. You've helped me put a lot of catfish in the boat. You guys check these out. I'll see if I can't put a link in the description to them. These things are really working for me and I love them. There you go, straight ahead. You're gonna get him. You gotta be quicker than that.
I get catfish. Getting catfish.
That's good. Try to keep us going straight. Yeah. Guys, he buried this hook. If I'm not mistaken, that's a 9/0 Cat Max. I'll tell you here in a second. That's a Team Catfish 8/0. Man, he buried that. I've got a couple different hooks on here, guys. Yeah, that's Team Catfish 8/0. He buried that thing. I mean, buried it. Where'd that sucker head go? Fish screws. Come on, bud, chill out.
Here's a spot, like right here.
Yeah, he's fine. That's a 6-pound channel cat. There you go. I'll hold him for the camera. What do you think about that, Slade Morgan?
Freaking gigantic.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Good. Good. There we go, guys. 6-pound channel cat. Dragon. He took a sucker head.
That's really reminds me of an animal, but I can't remember.
Right there's what he took, guys. Red horse sucker head. We're gonna pitch it back out there. Alright, I'll watch it. Alright guys, we'll turn it on the next one. I don't know about you guys, but it's starting to be a real good day. Oh, here come the crappie fisherman gonna rip through here. I need to get my American flag set up on my boat. Kev's flag. Hey, when we get up here at this point, then we'll, what's this cat doing?
I don't know, but he's going some speed and dirt here, I know that.
We'll see where he goes.
I don't know what he's doing.
He's gonna go around us.
Throwing some speed up there?
Yeah. So instead of going that way, this boat's gonna come around our left side right across the top of my baits. Isn't that beautiful? Cutting right across my baits. That right there, guys, is what's known as a dick move.
What would Catfish Dave do?
I know what Catfish Dave would do.
What'd he do?
You gotta be kidding me. That's a fucking dick move right there. Oh, that makes me mad. Yeah. Yeah, that's sharks right there, buddy. Keep looking back. I don't care.
This pole's getting hit.
Get it, Slade Morgan.
Is that the waves?
No.
Reel down, reel down, reel down.
Ooh, wait. That's maybe on that one.
Hang on to your brother. Take your time.
He may not even be on there. I think he's off.
I don't
Reel
know.
him. Reel,
Just keep reeling. We cast it back out.
keep reeling. Mowing is what they're doing up there.
Yeah, and bass fishermen, that's not cool, man. That's not cool at all. He better not. We're gonna have an issue if he does it again. Pop that line. Here. You got it? Pop that planer board off. There you go. Now reel. Jerks, man. Show you reel that in for him. There a fish on it?
Yeah, there's a fish on it.
Hey, your planer board stuck.
I don't know what to do about
No,
that.
it's not. Got us another one, even with the bass fishermen coming past us. Little twerp. Just for that, you're going in the tank.
What do you do?
What'd you do with them? I didn't do nothing with them. There it is. The one that tangled my lines. There we go. That's number 5 or 6. Watch out, baby.
No, that's 6.
Is it 6? Alright guys, hey, we're going to get out of here. We had a good time. We put 6 nice channel kitties in the tank. 1 come off the lines. We turned 3 loose off the lines, but that's a video you'll see before this one. We did a dragon video, caught 5 fish. It was great. Had a blast. Sonny boy here, how many did you catch?
4, I think.
Catch 4. What'd you catch? 1?
2.
1 that Tater give up on? Get over
Yeah.
here. Get over here in the camera. He got tired and he had to reel it in. But anyways, we had a blast. We had a blast. That cut red horse sucker, just that's the ticket. That's where it's at. Guys, we're gonna get out of here, go get something to eat, maybe come out tonight and try to do another one. I don't know. But we're gonna get. So guys, thanks for coming along on this. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Subscribing's free, it don't cost anything. But if you don't subscribe, I hope you enjoy the videos. That's why I do this stuff. But I'm going to get out of here. And like I always say, if you want it,
You gotta go get it.
Because nobody's going to give it to you.
nobody's going to what?
Give it to you.
Nobody's going to give it to you. You got to go get it. Guys, we love you. We'll see you. Take care.